Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, we have another amazing show for you today. Ripple kickstarts RLUSD and XRP to 44 bucks. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, lately we have heard a lot of information with respect to Ripple's new stablecoin. And oh, the conjecture that there is. And I'll tell you, one of the big pieces of FUD is, oh, well, SEC is going to sue Ripple over RLUSD. Guys, that is absolute hooey. But I'll tell you what is on the up and up. Ripple has just kickstarted their RLUSD on Ethereum and the XRP ledger. And this is a major deal. Guys, just check this article out right here. Ripple kickstarts RLUSD stablecoin minting on Ethereum and XRP ledger. Ripple has commenced the minting of its USD-pegged RLUSD stablecoin on both XRP ledger and Ethereum mainnet. As of yet, the blockchain firm has successfully minted 385 RLUSD on the above-mentioned networks. This move is expected to have significant impact on XRP's price and Ripple's market expansion. Guys, they are testing it out, they're getting it ready to go, and they're minting these things right now. And ultimately, they are going to be used as liquidity for this digital asset space in a massive way. Now listen to this right here. On August 22nd, Ripple minted 185 RLUSD tokens on the XRP ledger. Thereafter, it minted an additional 200 RLUSD on the Ethereum network today. Although these initial minting activities are relatively small, combined less than 500 bucks, Ripple's move is more about testing the waters than diving in head first. Exactly. A lot of FUD is going to come out there and say, oh, wow, look at, they're not doing, and guys, it is just hogwash. Ripple is going headlong with respect to this stablecoin market, and we're talking a market that is worth billions upon billions of dollars, and they are going to take a big bite out of this market share, to be sure. Now, the RLUSD stablecoin pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar is designed to be fully backed by US dollar deposits, and get this, short-term US government treasuries. And guys, right now, what has just been tokenized on the XRP ledger? You guessed it, US T-bills, treasuries. Isn't that something? And other cash equivalents. Moreover, the blockchain has assured the community that these reserve assets will be audited by a third-party accounting firm. Also, it will provide monthly attestations to mainnet transparency. Despite the buzz surrounding RLUSD, Ripple has been clear that the stablecoin is still in its testing phase and has not yet received regulatory approval. This has prompted the company to caution users against potential scams claiming early access to RLUSD. Big. Guys, we know in this space, people take advantage of a lot of other folks' naivety and lack of understanding. Don't be a victim to any of that. Wait till you actually hear it right from Ripple that it has been released out there, because there's all the FUD you can imagine along with major scams, and you do not want to be that victim right there. Now, moreover, the introduction of RLUSD stablecoin comes on the heels of Ripple's recent legal battles with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Judge Torres ruled that Ripple had violated securities laws in 1,278 institutional sales transactions, ones, guys, that were tied up with contracts, not XRP itself, and she did not ban on-demand liquidity. This was a big-time win for Ripple, that is for sure. And Stuart Alderati, the chief legal officer of Ripple, even classified it as that himself. Now, This resulted in a $125 million penalty. This legal concern, however, has not deterred Ripple from pushing forward with its ambitious plans, as evidenced by the latest stablecoin launch. And another thing to consider is this, guys. Throughout the entirety of that lawsuit, Ripple just kept expanding this ecosystem, expanding. You would think that all they would have focused on was the SEC lawsuit. Nope, guys, they didn't. They just pushed forward and literally grew this ecosystem. And I'll tell you what, if anything makes me more bullish, it's the fact that Ripple is out there behind this 110%. In fact, when we were in Las Vegas, XRP Las Vegas this last year, I sat there and listened to Brad Garlinghouse come out and flat out say, if anybody thinks that they have dropped the ball when it comes to XRP, they have lost the plot. Ripple is 100% behind it. Now, Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin could significantly push XRP's price up. For context, the launch of a stablecoin brings significant liquidity to a blockchain network, which is what we were saying. Historical precedents support this view. Earlier, Ethereum price surged when MakerDAO launched its DAI stablecoin on the Ethereum network. Similarly, Tron's price experienced a notable uptick when Tether began minting on the Tron network. Hence, a CoinGate Markets team analyst is optimistic that a similar trend could occur with the introduction of RLUSD. Further, an XRP supporter known as Wrath of Kahneman on X highlighted a post comparing the percentage of value settled in stablecoins on Ethereum to the ETH price over time. He pointed out that while the comparison is not a perfect match due to differences in gas fees and smart contracts, it is notable that ETH price rose in alliance with the increase in stablecoin usage. He expressed hope and excitement for the potential impact of RLUSD on the XRP ledger. Guys, I think it is going to be absolutely massive. In fact, a game changer when you think about this space. Now, guys, something else to see that is happening right now. Just check this out right here. XRP surges nearly 7%, eyes major breakout amidst bullish sentiment. The popular cryptocurrency XRP is heading into the weekend with a significant gain of nearly 7%, marking a bullish week for the token. The price of XRP has risen since the start of the week, catching the attention of top crypto analysts. As a result, XRP has climbed to the 60-cent mark it had previously reached earlier in the year. XRP traded at this level previously, but the token fell below it due to a market shakeout driven, guys, by the way, of geopolitical uncertainties and not the weakness of XRP, because everything came crashing down at the same time. Now, this suggests that XRP might be gearing up for a comeback to this crucial price level following the recent rally. This upward movement has affirmed the existing analysis that XRP might be on the cusp of its most significant breakout ever. Wow, did you hear that? Some researchers noted that XRP might be primed for a rally as a result of a giant bullish triangle pattern on the chart since 2018. And guys, we have been showing this time and again, how technical analysis guys are looking at this, a multiplicity of them, and they're all seeing the same thing. This is right on the verge of a major breakout. Now, guys, check this one out right here. Market Strategist sees XRP at $44, beating Bitcoin with 7,204% increase. Well, guys, get a load of who our market strategist is. Prominent crypto analyst Mikkel. Now, guys, Judy and I have shared the stage with Mikkel when we were down there at the Quantum Financial Summit hosted by Mel Carmine with QFS. And guys, I'll tell you what, Mikkel is a really great guy, and I really enjoy his commentary. An amazing guy, and we're going to get him on the show, by the way. Watch and see. He's coming up. Now, has recently predicted a significant price surge for XRP, potentially surpassing Bitcoin's performance in the current bull market. Building upon his previous analysis, Mikkel has revised his prediction, suggesting that XRP could reach a remarkable price of $44 against Bitcoin. Now, he's based his analysis on a thorough examination of XRP's historical price action against Bitcoin. He identified a pattern in XRP's price behavior where the asset has experienced significant price increases following periods of extreme lows relative to Bitcoin. This pattern has repeated itself on several occasions in XRP's history. To illustrate this historical pattern, Mikkel pointed out to several examples. For instance, in June of 2014, XRP's price against Bitcoin dropped to 0.0000430 BTC. However, by the end of the year, XRP had outperformed Bitcoin, rallying by over 20 times to 0.0009155 Bitcoin. Similar patterns were observed in early 2017 and during the 2020 bear market. Mikkel's latest analysis suggests that XRP is experiencing a similar pattern, having recently reached a historically low value against Bitcoin. This low point, according to Mikkel, is indicative of a potential for a substantial price increase and shortly. When combined with other significant development like Ripple's recent victory over the SEC and increasing global adoption, XRP's chances of a massive rally increase significantly. Based on this historical analysis, Mikkel has projected XRP could reach a price of $44 against Bitcoin in the current bull market. This would represent a substantial increase of 7,204.12%. Now, Mikkel emphasized this prediction is contingent on Bitcoin reaching a price of $150,000. And guys, a lot of people have been calling for that. In fact, I have heard Bitcoin projections up to even, 250,000, something like that. Now, to achieve this price target, Bitcoin would need to experience a significant increase from its current price of around 61,300. Well, we're only talking about maybe a 3x, right? Now, if Bitcoin reaches that 150,000 marker, its market capitalization would be approximately $3 trillion. Meanwhile, XRP needs to hit 4.4 trillion market cap to attain $44. Guys, we have seen it. When you look at the global money supply, I'm telling you what, you absolutely could be convinced when you see that even the real estate market alone is worth 360 trillion, and over 90 trillion for all these stock exchanges, and you got Larry Fink from, BlackRock CEO, 13 trillion under management, coming out and saying the next evolution of these markets is the tokenization of securities. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, with XRP Ledger, real world asset tokenization is probably one of the best use cases that you could find. And so I'm agreeing here with Mikkel that we could see some big time price appreciation. And when you consider we are seeing these kind of squeezes and this kind of triangle pattern over, by the way, guys, 6 years. When this thing pops, I believe it's really going to fly. And right now we're seeing all of this development in this XRP ecosystem with RLUSD, and I believe it could take a big bite out of the stablecoin market share, certainly away from Tether in a big way. And guys, I'll tell you what, you want to get out there and really get to know what's going on in this space, because I'll tell you what, when the train leaves this station, it is going to leave people absolutely in the dust, and you do not want to miss it. Guys, things are heating up in this space, and it could literally blast off at any moment. And that is why it is so vitally important that you get your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals. And we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigital.outlook.com and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.